Knowing how much insurance you need is a really big piece of the puzzle. Most Canadians are drastically underinsured. The best way to analyze how much insurance you need is to go to our Insurance Needs Analysis button. There you can find 3 calculators for life, critical illness or disability insurance, and you can plug in your numbers for your situation and it will tell you how much insurance is right for you. For most people, they believe their most valuable asset is their home, because in Calgary or in Alberta it could be worth $400,000 or $500,000. But your most valuable asset is you and your earning potential. If you were 40 years old making $75,000 a year, over the next 25 years you'll make over $2.5 million in income. So what's more valuable, your home or you? I love helping people with risk planning. It's not an easy conversation, it's not something people look forward to, but guiding them through this cornerstone of their financial planning gives me joy. I seek to understand, then I analyze, and then I build solutions.